Imagine if every person came with a gigantic, secret instruction manual that told exactly how their bodies should grow, work, and look. That instruction manual is called your genome, and every living thing like plants, animals, and people has one. But how do scientists read something as mysterious and tiny as a genome, which is hidden within our cells? Let's dive into the magical world of genomes and find out. What is a genome anyway? It's a long string of instructions made up of a special alphabet with only 4 letters: A, T, C, and G. These letters stand for chemicals called bases, and they're joined together to make long, twisty ladders known as DNA. If you stretched out all the DNA from just one of your cells, it would be about 2 meters long. Now, let's imagine scientists want to read your genome, the complete set of all your DNA instructions. They don't use an ordinary book or a magnifying glass. Instead, they need clever machines and special tricks because DNA is so tiny you can't even see it with normal microscopes. First, scientists collect a small sample from you, like a drop of blood or a bit of spit. From there, they use special chemicals to open up the cells and pull out the DNA, carefully separating it from all the other parts. The DNA looks like a long, tangled spaghetti noodle. Reading the whole thing at once is too tricky, so scientists use machines or enzymes, mini helpers, to chop the DNA into lots of shorter pieces, like snipping a long ribbon into little strips. Next comes the exciting part, sequencing. This means figuring out the exact order of those 4-letter bases, A, T, C, and G, in each piece. Special machines called sequencers work a bit like very clever barcode scanners, reading one slice at a time. As they go along, they write out the order of the letters for each strip. But the puzzle isn't finished. Imagine mixing up the pages of a giant book and then having to put them back in the right order. Scientists use computers, powerful ones, to piece all the DNA pieces together by finding overlaps, like matching up torn jigsaw puzzle pieces. Once the computer has assembled the order of all the letters, scientists can explore this book of you. They can spot tiny differences that make eyes blue or brown, or see if there are special changes that could explain why someone might get sick. Studying genomes helps doctors find out what makes you special, or if you carry genes that explain illnesses. It's also a powerful tool for solving mysteries, like finding out how people are related, catching criminals, or even bringing extinct animals back in stories. So, when scientists analyze your genome, they're really reading a secret instruction book, written in a code older than dinosaurs, using amazing machines and clever tricks to unlock the mysteries in every one of us.